Nandeep, more than changing my life or helping me, I think that one statement coming from a superstar, a mammoth of a superstar, in a press conference, who millions of people, and especially not only young girls who love him, for boys who look up to him, when they hear a man in that position of that stature saying something about like that about a woman, that makes a world of a difference. And that only goes to show that only a secure man can secure such a position in life. Absolutely. Is to badger him and you that please release a movie in Mumbai. If you don't, who will? Yeah, who else? Even during Khada, every time you said it. Listen, Ami, বুঝিনি, why did you not release Khada? বলো দেবকে বলো আমি জানি না ও I don't know. He's releasing it in Dubai and saying full house. Just release it. But it released in Hindi. But they didn't dub it and all that. ওটাই তো problem. I think I think in due time এটাও হবে. Your pairing has been one of the most loved pairings, like so much so that every year they want a movie with the both of you. The fans actually say that which is that movie this year where they'll get to see both of you. Do you guys also sometimes give into that kind of demands and pressure? Because we get tired. You won't believe it, Dev and I. The only time I think we actually fight is because it's nice because also we did our first film together, which Dev came to me with. After that, it's all the directors who come to me with films and then they want to cast us together. And then we tell, please, you don't have to cast us together. Please cast us with separate people because it's not necessary. They said, no, but we really want the two of you together. Please, even Take Cows, I'm saying no to. Once I heard the script along with Dev, was like, ab chodo. छोड़ के दिखाओ चले मैं क्या करूं इतना अच्छा character में. So we are both very hungry as artists and performers. I think that's where we even connect. So when there's a script which justifies our paths, when there's a script which justifies our greed, actors are greedy. Absolutely. When it justifies our hunger, we give it to that. It's not about giving into just what the fan. Of course, the fans love to see it. We do it for the fans. But at the end of the day, to both of us, I think we are again living in such a time in cinema, where it's all about the script and the storytelling and the narrative of it all, more than actors or being stars and all of that. So whenever that comes our way, but then, it gets very difficult for us to create a chemistry every time. But if you actually see our filmography together, we have history has proved that, they only see on-screen couples as in love, or they're like the couple in the movie. But you guys... Dave and I have never repeated the same thing. We have always broken away from it. We've been a husband and wife, and then he's been a cop, and I've been a terrorist in Kabir. They're in Cockpit. I was the second lead who was madly in love with him, alcoholic. फिर जाके जब हम लोग ने टेक्का किया, I am the cop, he is a terrorist. So we've always tried to shuffle our roles. Dynamics. We've tried to explore that. It's only when that comes our ways than when we give it. So if something great comes up again, why not? So have you decided on the next one with him? No, nothing yet. No, nothing. Nothing. কিছু নেই সত্যি পাচ্ছি না but we are not. We know that the beauty of it is that Dev and I, we have never gone hunting for a script where somebody will cast us. Like I said, we tell people don't cast us. We tell people that 4-5 साल हमको एक साथ काम नहीं करना है. हम लोग बहुत कर लिया. 5 साल बाद हम लोग फिर से जैसे देव खादान लेके आए हो, फिर हम लोग रुक्मिणी देव को वापस लेके आएंगे 5 साल बाद. So I did that for you, but I don't think fans will approve of that idea. You let us know under this video. But Rukmini has so much of love and emotion in heart. Yeah. How would you define love in life? How would you define romance? What shift does it do to you when you are the person who's in love? I think when I am in love, I believe in one thing, which is loving with responsibility. I feel I take absolute responsibility of my relationship, of the respect that it should get, of the honesty that it deserves, and of the friendship that it stands on. Absolutely. And all of these things I think encompasses love for me. And I think the beauty of love is what my father has always taught me, that you only learn to love when you not only love the good in the person, but also the bad in the person. Absolutely. When you can love him completely or love this human being completely, irrespective of his or her good or bad, is when you love them selflessly. and that for me is love.
So how has the family and
Yeah.
including Devta,
Yeah.
how has he reacted? Because ওরা তো মুভিটা পুরোটাই দেখে নিয়েছে আমি জানি এতদিনে। So how have they reacted? What was their first reaction?
I think Dev is this is going pre-release. আমাদের আগে
Yeah,
আগে
pre-release,
pre-release না then okay I thought it. The only person who's seen it is Dev because my family they watch it at the screening itself. I don't watch my films anymore before it releases. I watch it 2-3 days after that.
কেন?
I just get very nervous. I'm very critical. So I'm like, so like that. So if there's a premiere, else I'll watch it like 2-3 days later. But Dev has watched it and he's loved the film. More than I think he's very proud of the film. He feels that, of course, he feels that it's a word of mouth film because it'll grow.
Yeah.
This is a movie which will grow. And he's spoken about a lot of big awards. So let's see. I think
হবে
Touch wood.
হবে but
He said this is the best film from his production house. That's
one more film na
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Ramda.
Oh no, with Ramda, of
Draupadi.
course, Draupadi. Yes. What I said was, আমি দ্রৌপদী করছি, আসবেন দেখতে।
ওটা কবে হবে? মানে when are you planning?
You know, I'll tell you, Binodini is that test. Works if the audiences come to theaters, if they actually watch it. We have a house full board hanging and justify a canvas.
Absolutely.
So if this happens, then you never like Draupadi will get more people to come on board and produce it and make the film.
And how many more years for you to do your next Hindi film maybe?
I had a Netflix lead which was just offered to me and from a big production house which I couldn't do as I was shooting for Binod. मुझे एक Netflix का series में एक lead के लिए मुझे call आया and then they were shooting in Dubai, India, Spain. I said ठीक है. So then they said yeah but till 25th of Jan we need your date. I said oh I have Binod. बोले you're shooting? I said no I'm promoting. बोला promotion ही तो है. I said नहीं यार मेरी जान है नहीं होगा. Binod ने भी कहा पता था किस्मत में लिखी हुई थी.